Alright, what you just saw there was the cockpit to the be200, and what it is 4 sheets of paper. What it is, I taped them together, and stand up here. As you can see, there's different measurements. There's a measurement of 3 inches, 4.5, 7.25, and there's lines actually for each measurement. What I've done is I've made the panels for these sections, seeing it from the top, and that's the way that would look. So eventually this piece, to get cut out, it will sit on top of that. So that's panel C. And we have panel B. This will be the next level coming up. There we go. That would be panel B. Kind of like so. This would be panel B. And panel B would be on this part of the cockpit, right there. Panel B with this B. So we have panel C right below. This be panel B, which is actually the widest point of the aircraft, which is actually 11 inches. And there's the measurement right there. And then finally and foremost, let's put this away. Put these panels away here. We have panel A, which would be this panel right here. It would be that panel. And that panel would be this one right here. That would be the top part of it. There you go. And that would be panel A right there. It actually fit on 1 sheet of paper. So you have the 3 panels. And what they're going to be cut out in foam. They're going to be cut down the middle. And they will be glued to this piece here. Side, side, and side. And that's the concept of building the cockpit to the be200. Alright, so here are the cutouts. Here's panel C, panel B, and panel A. Like I said, they'll be cut this way, and this way, and each section will be glued on to here, here, and here. And so what I'll do is I'll also peel off the paper and the actual paper that on the foam itself, so it'll just be nothing but foam. And I'm hoping it should look alright. But that's the plan. These will be cut down the middle, and each section for each one of these. This one and that one. All 3 of them. Be here, here, here. Same thing on the other side. Here, here, and right about here. And we'll see how it turns out. This is my first scratch build aircraft, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so here's our cockpit. I finally glued it just a little while ago. It's still a little wet, but I grabbed this block of foam here. Just use this as a straight edge for the other side. Use this to pin it over here, just like so. And started gluing these panels. Let's take an aerial view here, and that's basically what we're looking at right there. Let me pick it up here. Let me see. Hope they don't fall apart. The glue's still a little wet, guys. But anyways, let's get an aerial view. Here we go. So this is how it's gonna look. And there's the sides, of course. This one here being the shortest, longest, comes back in, and then eventually it'll taper off in there. What I may do is maybe in these blocks right here, these gaps, stick in some foam, like a block foam, and then just sand it down and take it according to angle, and maybe that's how I can create my curves. Let's see here. Let's hope this doesn't fall apart. Oh, sweet. There we go. Yeesh. But that's it, guys, right there. And actually, I just glued this about 30 minutes ago, so I better put this back. Let's put this back. Believe it or not, I've been using liquid nails. In my last video, kind of been messing with it, and I bought this one the other day. It's called Perfect Glue. My original intent was to use the hot glue gun to glue these together. I actually used this glue, and I just did this maybe 20-30 minutes ago. I did this last piece here, the last two, and I tell you what, it's great. It's actually holding up pretty good. I thought it was gonna come apart, but it didn't. And there it is, my scratch build cockpit. It's right there.